I need to go get some veggies. I don't have any veggies at the house. So I'm going to make my way over to Curtis Park. I don't want to go to Safeway here. In fact, I messed up and I forgot my N95 mask. I should have grabbed that because, well, day by day, recommendations change, and now it's recommended if you go shopping, you have an N95 mask. Maybe I'll just leave my helmet on, and that'll give me a little bit of protection from people sneezing and coughing in my direction. Viruses can't get through helmets. Everyone knows that. There we go. She's warming up now. Just idling. I'm getting a little bit of power. Power wheels. This little 110cc has a 4-speed manual transmission. Well, it's not a manual, actually. It's a semi-auto. There's no clutch. And it's awesome. Super awesome. When I first heard about these little Hondas years and years and years ago, I heard on the Trail 90 because this girl I was hanging out with, her dad had a couple of them. And I was not about it. Not at all. I thought, man, I need a clutch. I got to be able to shift with my fingers. I didn't realize you're still shifting. It's so much fun. Look. Oh, boop. Oh. You just go. We had this Impala in front of us. I want to catch him. An Impala, or is that a Caprice? It's an Impala, probably. I like it. Oh, I'm starting to feel these raindrops. Probably see them on the lens of the camera. So I'm going to have to be a little more careful because I know that these little tiny skinny tires slip and slide in the rain. I can easily skid. Weed shop. I think it's hilarious how weed went from being illegal to essential. Oh, here comes the rain. Look at my pants. Ah! No. Right back in gear after being in neutral. It circulates? Is it supposed to? It does. No way. I didn't know that. 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Huh. We'll see about that. No, that's not true. Alright, here we go. Why does it go backwards then? But fourth doesn't stop. Fourth stops at 4. But neutral, you can go back down. Oh, that's why I've had to shift all the way back down through the gears before and I can't find neutral. Okay, that makes so much sense now. So it's not that it's hard to find neutral. I just didn't realize I had already found it. Like, there it is. Ta-da. And then I would go past it thinking I'd just go back a million times and be in neutral. That's not a very good system compared to the Honda, because Hondas, you have no question. When you just smash it all the way down, you're in neutral. Down, neutral. And then when you get to the top, you're at the top. And some of these Chinese bikes, they have some really strange, 88 seconds left. Strange shift patterns. I have a 50cc one where it just goes all the way through. 1, 2, 3, 4, neutral. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, don't pull out in front of me, please. Thank you. And it's almost like this, with the exception that when you get to fourth, instead of just like mashing out and topping out at fourth over and over again, it starts you back at fourth again. At neutral. And then, so you don't want to go back to the first when you're at top speed. I've accidentally done that, and it's scary. And I'm like, you go back to neutral real fast. And then go the other direction back to fourth, realizing that you almost blew your engine, but you didn't. Alright, little China Honda Cub clone. Look at my pants just getting wetter and wetter and wetter. Just keep my eyes on the road here. So yeah, this little Fly Scout 110 cc's versus, say, that 50 cc one I told you about, or the 70 cc Honda Passports that are really common in the grand scheme of the Honda Cubs. Now, right now, because of the coronavirus outbreak, police aren't really having many interactions with the public, which is kind of interesting because I get it. You don't want our police force all getting this virus. That'd be the worst thing ever. But the irony is that the essential workers that are out here now, like grocery store clerks, they're dealing with so many people on a daily basis. It's crazy. However, they're not really dealing with people, these police officers. So, I'm riding dirty. Let's yield. I'm yielding. This thing doesn't even have a license plate on it. But luckily, all of the lights work. The headlight, the tail light, the brake light, the high beam, the turn signals, all of that stuff works. Ah, shoot. You know, I'm honestly forgetting. I'm already forgetting. It's only been, 2 weeks? 3 weeks now? I don't even know how long it's been. It's all of these awesome establishments. Some of them are still open for takeout. That's cool. Like Quickly's good. But I miss going into some of these places. Like Dad's was really good and fun. And at least I can still get Kiki's chicken. I miss going to coffee shops. I miss going to Starbucks right next to my house. And all those super cute girls that work there. And they all know my name. It makes me feel good on days when I'm feeling kind of down or lonely. I'm like, I'm going to go spend $10 and then a couple bucks in their tip jar. So, no, there's only one high gear on this. I'll go get myself a breakfast sandwich and a coffee and have a girl acknowledge my existence. So the speedometer seems pretty accurate on this. I wouldn't trust the fuel gauge though. Probably not many people in Land Park today. When it rains in Sacramento, although you see some people out, it is not like other larger cities. Like if you go to Portland in a non-COVID-19 atmosphere, it is littered with people on a rainy day. They're just running. Look at this. So the beeper indicator, it beeps, right? And then I push the brake, and it changes its tune. You trying to pass that? Yo. Don't hit me. All right. Sac City College. That's a beautiful campus. I have spent lots of time there. Don't pull out on me, Fiesta. Thank you. It was a bumpy road. There's our neutral. Back to first. Alright, here we go. So I'm trying to think of things that have changed aside from the apparent things. You know, can't sit down at restaurants. You can't go to a bar and have a beer. You can still go to a brewery and get to-go beer, which is very nice. Done that a couple times. And you can even, for the first time ever, if you order to-go food from these establishments, knowing that a lot of their revenue comes from hard alcohol sales, the state of California is allowing to-go cocktails from these places, and I think that is awesome. So, maybe, just maybe I'll do that later. I've been very frugal, though, lately, because I'm out half of my income. I should have followed that truck because this light's red, but I'll go anyway because I don't see any cars. I lost half of my income at least because my brewery job is down for the moment. They're also doing the to-go model, but they've had to lay us all off for the time being at least. So we're diversifying, trying to find ways to have fun and make some money and keep people interested in the meantime. So hopefully this downtime doesn't last too long. And I forgot I should always be doing this, right? Ugh. Always gotta keep it clean. Shoot, I forgot. There are a lot of people out for a virus outbreak. Let's do a little skiddaroo. That was so cool. Oh, why would you do that on this beautiful pavement, Travis? I'll leave it in gear. That way no hooligans can have their way with it. Cool. Turn the gas on too, just leave it on. Good looking bike. Okay, I'm going in.